Studio, and today we're going to make a brownie sundae for summer. Alright, so first you're going to get your brownies. You can make your brownie from scratch, or you can get a store-bought brownie mix. So you're going to follow the directions on the back if you get a store-bought one. And so Jenna is mixing our mixture there, and we're just going to pour it into this pan. Alright, so we are just putting it into the little, like muffin holes. So what we did is we put like some cooking spray so that they don't stick afterwards, so you can see they're all oiled up in there. And we're just filling them halfway because we know they're going to expand when they are, cooking. Alright, so we put our brownies in the oven for 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And now they look pretty good. And so I'm going to get a gravy spoon, and then I'm just going to like smush it to make kind of like a hole, and that's where the ice cream is going to go. Alright, so we put some ice cream on top, and now we're going to decorate it. So I'm going to put some chocolate syrup. You want some? And of course, you got to get the sprinkles on there too. I'm getting more on the table than the actual sundae. Alright, that looks pretty yum. Whoa, that was a lot.
It's sprinkled when it was close.
Alright, so now let's try it. It's like warm and cold. It was so yummy and easy.
And I hope you like our video. Please subscribe.
And share our other videos on our channel. Bye!